The Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, in my opinion, is shaping up to be a perfect smartphone. Why? Well, all the leaks are pointing to one thing. Samsung is paying attention to every little detail when it comes to this phone. Anyway, we've got a brand new render of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and it gives us a pretty clear idea of what the phone is going to look like. On the back, we've got a quad camera setup, but the front, that's where things get seriously impressive. The bezels are practically non-existent. I don't think I've ever seen bezels this thin on any smartphone. But hey, this is Samsung we are talking about. If anyone can achieve this milestone, it's them. And it doesn't stop there. Samsung isn't just focusing on hardware, they're also doubling down on software. The Galaxy S25 series is introducing a seamless update feature, making sure every single detail of the user experience is as polished as it can be. So for those unfamiliar with the seamless update, well, this feature allows the update to be installed on partition B while you continue to use your phone in partition A and restart it when the installation is complete. This keeps the device usable during the installation and it is unavailable only when it's restarting, meaning you don't have to wait a few minutes for the entire installation process to complete to use your phone. Well, this seamless update feature was introduced by Google in 2016, but Samsung only adopted it in March this year, with the Galaxy A55 being the first Samsung smartphone to get this feature. But now it's coming to the Galaxy S25 series. So basically what this means is that Samsung is paying attention to every little detail, whether it's hardware or software. Anyway, alongside the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung is also planning to launch another phone called the Galaxy S25 Slim. And according to a recent leak, Samsung is introducing a brand new zoom camera sensor in this device. So despite being extremely slim, it is rumored to offer more zoom reach than the Galaxy S25 Plus thanks to the Samsung's new telephoto lens. The Galaxy S25 Slim will use Samsung's all-lens on prism called ALOP telephoto zoom lens. Well, this new technology designed by ISOCELL team was unveiled last month. So this sensor offers continuous optical zoom, meaning you can zoom in and out smoothly without losing image quality. This allows for sharper, more detailed photos across different zoom levels, perfect for capturing distant objects or close-up details. Like, it's a game changer for smartphone cameras. So Samsung is all set to launch incredible series next month. So are you excited about it? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.